Right, good morning. This is Jack from Charting the Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Tuesday, the 8th of April. My disclaimer, I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing, learn from it, transfer it to your own charts. I'm not here to issue trading signals. Right, I've been having a careful look here, and I have to say, I like the way that Bitcoin's looking at the moment. We've got a possible RSI 5 buy signal brewing on the weekly. I'd still be surprised if we didn't make the 69 to 70,000, but this is increasing the odds that as and when we get there, it bounces. Which actually, looking at Solana and Ethereum, Solana and Ethereum look like they're in full bear markets now. Bitcoin, really not so much. This just looks like a bullish backtest at the moment. Bitcoin, I think, is the one probably to be watching. So we'll see. It's in the meantime, we've got a potential double bottom here on the hourly chart. We didn't quite make it. Hang on 1 second. I'm just going to draw. Is that the correct trend line? 1 second. How would this one look? Nope. Yeah, that is the correct trend line. We're still owed, I think, a trip to this declining resistance trend line, or at least if this is just a bull flag forming, then we're owed that trend, we're owed that move, and I've got that up in the 88,000 area. We do have potential double bottom here as well. See a sustained break up over 88.8, and we can see a move up into the 102 to 104 area. I'm more skeptical about that, given what's happening in the equity markets as well. There's not much of a history really here of crypto bottoming before equities, but we've got a nice RSI 14 buy signal fix, and we've got a nice target up here in about the 88.5k area at the moment, and I like that target. And we've got established resistance there. Might well fail there, but there's a decent chance that we're actually going to make it. We'll see. Looking at Solana, Solana and Ethereum. Big support area on Solana, and we broke it. Big support area on Ethereum, and we broke it. This has opened the way to lower targets, but in the short term, I'm still leaning towards seeing a bounce. On the hourly chart, we've got an RSI 14 buy signal fix there as well. We haven't seen much of a bounce off the low. We've got a potential double bottom here, and it's got a shot, but I'm not sure it's got much of a shot. We'll see how that goes, but I'm wondering about a hit of declining resistance in about the 129 area. Looking at the daily chart, no current divergence. A retest of the low in the not too distant future could give us a possible buy signal brewing, and I still like this overall falling wedge. The next target I would note, though, within the wedge would be really this target here at about the 88 area, or possibly on the alternate trend line down in about the 82 area. Looking at Ethereum, we've got, again, a nice looking wedge. Again, I've got two support trend lines. That one is actually reached the bottom support trend line already. No current positive divergence. No, we just got a weak RSI 14 buy signal ring. But nothing on the RSI 5. On the hourly chart, we had an RSI 14 buy signal as well. I'm still expecting to see some more upside, I've got a potential level bottom here, but I'm doubtful about it. But I'm less doubtful about it because we've got a nice looking wedge here. If that breaks down, then Ethereum's in really serious trouble. As it is, we've got what looks like a declining, but nonetheless decent support area here. We'll see how that goes. All right, great. Let's have a quick look, because I'm going to draw in one more trend line here, because I think that may be the target for a rally here. Let's see. That's this one. And let's just have a quick look at how that looks. That's not going to be an awesome support trend line, I don't think. It can't be. And it isn't. Keeping an open mind, but I am wondering if this might be the obvious target for a move up, and that would be at about the 1800 area. But bigger picture, what I'd like to do is I'd like to bottom out and start making a move towards this 2400 area. But I don't think Bitcoin has bottomed yet. We will see. All right, great. In that case, let's have a quick look at questions. Yeah, my pleasure as always, mate. It's all right. In that case, I will see you tomorrow morning.